Have you ever wondered how your favorite kitchen foods are made within those equipments?
Let us go through the process,
Yes, sir.
how the bulk cooking is done.
How do you source your materials? How do you design? What
Actually,
happens?
this is how.
So, how many products have you manufactured?
Around,
Do you also go to other cities, sir?
yeah. Currently, 3 projects are on.
So, how many times do they have to, come back to you for a service, or how many times should you go to them for the service?
Actually, my employee who are drawing more than 50,000 per month started with a salary of.
How many years have any of your employees been
Yeah, I
here?
have 2 employees still there.
Have you ever wondered how your favorite kitchen foods are made within those equipments and such large quantity, which is so always occupied? From the raw materials to the finished goods, there is always an equipment that is involved in it. Today, we'll find out as to how do they manufacture those equipments and how do they come up with those designing and how are all of these things done. Today, we are at Coimbatore Kitchen Equipments and we have Mr. John Peter sir here today. Hello, sir.
Hello, welcome, Banshi.
Thank you so
Welcome
much,
to
sir.
our factory.
Thank you so much,
Let
sir.
us go through the process
Yes.
so that I can explain to you
Yes, sir.
how the bulk cooking is done.
How the bulk cooking is done.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah. So in a house, we are
Yeah.
cooking for 2-3 people.
Yes, sir.
But in a gathering,
Yeah.
at least 500, 1000, 12,000. In Isha, around 3 lakh people gather.
3 lakh
3
people.
lakh people.
So you
we have
say that
designed.
you have designed it for
Yeah,
3
yeah.
lakh people.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Of
And what
course.
is your maximum capacity so far, sir?
So it is depending upon the customer's need.
Right.
So
Is it 3 lakhs? So that something that you've served, or how much have you served so far?
The maximum is Isha only. It is more
Is-
than 3 lakh.
Wow,
3
wow.
lakh
It is
crowd.
more than 3 lakhs that they've designed and executed an equipment that has been placed at Isha Yoga. Right, sir. So how do you source your materials? How do you design? What
Actually,
happens?
this is how the material comes. These
Okay.
are all the sheets. These are
Okay.
the pipes.
Right.
So equipment now
Hmm.
are fabricated using these stainless steel sheets.
Hmm.
So these are all food grade materials.
Okay.
So for cooking equipments, there is a special grade. So we have to use that graded material for equipment. So we design the equipment.
You
For-
have a quality check here also, sir?
So yeah,
In the raw
every
materials?
material, it comes with the quality certificate.
Okay.
So there is a mark. So the watermark is there.
Hmm.
It speaks about the quality, and every source of material we get the inspection certificate.
Okay.
So it is a mandatory.
It is a mandatory thing.
Mandatory. Government of India has
So
already.
from the very first step, they have a source of quality check that is done that comes within their raw materials itself. And as how you said, each and every equipment that comes inside as a raw material itself, that is also quality checked.
So
We'll
this
go
is-
to the next step.
Yeah. So these are all the 2 CNC machines. This is for shearing, cutting.
This is for cutting.
So this
Okay.
machine now, they place the sheets here. So we'll mark, our technicians will mark. Then this is CNC control.
So how do you come to that measurement that this is the measurement that you're supposed to cut? So do
Yeah.
you have a design?
Yeah. Our design team will
Okay.
decide
Okay.
depending upon the size of the.
And they give that to your
Yeah. So
team.
here,
Okay.
yeah, the machine operator, you will be given. Then this is a cutting. This is a bending machine.
This is
So-
what? Bending.
Bending.
Okay.
So edges. So before cutting like this. So now it is ready for bending.
Okay.
So we'll cut like this. Assuming. So it is marked. So the sizes. So now it is ready for bending. So once it is bent, it will become like a tray. So how it comes, we'll go. I'll show you how
Sure.
the finished product would be.
Okay.
So these are all molds. So depending upon the size, so we'll use that particular. So this is how.
I think it's very interesting for the viewers to watch that just with this sheet, I'm going to show you as to how the end product of this sheet is going to look like. So far, right now, they have the sheet ready and the places where they have to bend and cut. So we have seen this, and now we are going to see the next step as to how finished goods will be prepared using this sheet.
Exactly. Come through this. So this is how
Okay.
this is our fabricating unit.
Mm.
So these are all our welders, TIG welders.
Okay.
So what you have seen,
Mm.
this is a hard case
Oh.
where the prepared items,
Mm.
when we prepare at 11 o'clock, we may serve at 3 p.m. as well.
Yeah.
So for 3 hours, this equipment will keep it hot.
Hot. Oh, okay.
So these are all from that sheet only.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So the bend, now it is all welded.
Hmm.
It is ready for polishing and
Hmm.
the other process.
Hmm.
So this is one type. Now,
So this is something that keeps your food warm
yeah, food one.
and ready to serve.
Yeah,
As how you see, you have all different kinds of rice, Besivelabad, sambar rice, tomato rice, and all of that.
so the heating is done through electrical heaters.
Okay.
We will place the electrical heater here.
Hmm.
So that keeps the food items warm.
Okay.
So this is one.
This is one.
Come to this area.
This is just one of their equipment.
Yeah.
There are many equipment.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how many products have you manufactured so
Around
far?
300 products we have
300
300.
manufactured. And
in different sizes.
different sizes, different shapes. And can you cater to any large unit?
Definitely.
Okay. So wedding halls or a kitchen, new, anybody who wants to start a new, restaurant or a food chain unit or a cloud kitchen that is very famous these days.
Nowadays.
They can definitely contact sir. I'll give their details in the description below. Yeah.
Not only hotel,
Yeah.
even a coffee stall, tea stall.
Oh, okay.
For them also. This is a display counter.
Okay.
Hot vada.
Oh yeah, the bakeries.
Yeah, for bakeries, coffee stalls. This is how this is semi-finished. So we will place the glasses
Glass doors.
and you can from the customer can view from this. He can choose. Yeah, okay, I take one bhaji, bonda, or like that. So
Glass doors also you will fitting you.
yeah. It will be when the finished good comes, it will be covered. Then it will be hygienic, So when it is placed on the open area, it should not get
right. So basically, it becomes very hassle-free for any of the customers that is walking in. That once they come in, they say that this is the product they want. They will definitely get the finished goods only outside. So even if there is a glass work that is supposed to be done, they do everything and then give it to you.
in-house only.
Yeah.
Everything is in-house only. So this is my common hand washing.
Yes.
For a convention center or a meeting hall. This is the hand washing. This is a rack.
Yeah.
Normally used to place kitchen equipments in the rack. So this is my stores.
Okay.
This is my storehouse.
Okay.
Where we keep all the items. So that Bain Mary counter,
Yeah.
we are using this. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the container.
This is a container.
Yeah.
Okay. And all of this is made through our first machine only, sir?
No. These are all sourced.
Okay.
I am getting it from New Delhi. So
Okay.
Delhi is the capital for all these
Okay.
equipments.
Okay. But this is also very sturdy and
Yeah.
very
These
good,
are all
quality.
dye based.
Okay.
So I'm buying from the market leader.
Okay.
They are the best in the industry. Market leaders. So come inside. You have.
So even if they don't have it in house, they ensure that it is being sourced and they give you the end product. I think the main motive itself is to give the end product to the customers. Yes, sir.
So this is my store. So we
Okay.
keep all these things. So we take we purchase it. There are customers. These bushes are all specifically made for us. Our design.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Where is this going to be used, sir?
at the bottom of the work tables. We'll place
Okay.
it. So this is adjustable. So in
Oh,
the if the floor level is
is uneven.
uneven, then this can be adjusted.
Okay.
So these are all our
Hmm.
customized design. We
Hmm.
source it. So the customer at his point at his place, he will get without any difficulty. He can have
Disturbances.
the.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So these are all our
This is very
materials.
interesting that even if it's a wobbly floor or if there's something that is very uneven also, this they also take care of this. I mean, this is the smallest of things that I think you should notice, that they take care even of not anything should not be wobbling, and you should be free, hassle free. So this is how it works. This is screw that opens up, which would be fitted in your equipment
The bottom of this.
at the bottom of the equipment,
Yeah.
so that nothing moves. Or if you want to take this and travel also to any other place, then also this becomes easier. Like, these are all the equipments that are taken for travel. As how you know that these equipment which is used for hand wash outside, which can be used in a ground or all of the other places, which could be even or uneven. If you remember, then you must be using all, these newspaper folding or the paper folding that is kept beneath, and people do not really think that it might be wobbly for the customers, but this is somewhere that they make a difference. They give an equipment which is specifically designed and created and crafted for them, which makes their customers' life very easy. That is, if you just pull this inside, put this inside the bush and then place it, this will keep any of your equipment, non-wobbly. So all of your things is safe.
Banshi,
Yes, sir.
you can prepare 200 idlis within 5 minutes using this equipment.
200 idlis
200 idlis in 5 minutes.
in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wow.
So this is how the bulk cooking happens.
Right.
The maximum idlis, 480 idlis in 3 minutes.
480 in 3 minutes. That is something that's really bulk cooking. And I think that's where majorly wedding halls would be using, your kitchen equipments, which becomes easier, plus it is fresh and hot for the customers.
So this bush, you are talking.
Yes,
So now
yes, sir.
this is an uneven area.
Yes.
Now that small you can adjust
Yeah.
and make it sturdy. That's all.
So you just saw that he just tightened this bush. He just tightened this just one circle, and this made it
No.
very sturdy. It was wobbling earlier, but now, as you see, even if I push, it does not wobble. Very interesting equipments you have, sir. What next do you have for us?
Actually, this is a 4 container.
Yes.
This is 10 holes.
10
So,
holes. Huh?
For a non-vegetarian restaurant, you have more number of items.
Yes.
Chicken gurma, mutton gurma, fish curry, like that. So it is all customized. This is to serve hot. Again, this is hot case. That is a square one. This is a round one.
Okay.
So now these are all the bulk cooking equipments.
Cooking equipment.
Yes.
Okay.
Like rice, dal.
Grinders and all that, sir.
No, cooking for the dal and rice.
Right. Sambar, rice. Okay.
So this is 200 liters of sambar.
Okay.
You can cook in one time.
Okay.
So this is a jacketed. So there are two ways. This is outer, this is inner. So it works like our house. We are using milk boilers,
Yes, yes.
We pour the water on the side.
And then
So,
let the
So like that, the steam is injected within these two walls, inner and outer. So the food item doesn't get contact with the steam. So it's more hygienic. And the taste level is maintained.
Right.
So you can maintain standards in your product.
Right.
So for that, this is.
Wow. Though you are not cooking, you ensure that the cooking is done in a very hygienic way.
This is juice counters.
Juice counters, okay.
So the sink is in bit, and this is for correction. We place 2-3 gas juicers, and we use the sink is for washing the.
machine. So even if you are planning to open a juice stall also,
Yeah, yeah.
I think you can come here and then purchase your equipment that is required for your juice stall.
Exactly. So this
Yeah.
is now the
This
for
is the thing that's running right now. Where is this going to go, sir? To which place is this going to travel?
it is going to Bangalore.
This is going to Bangalore.
Bangalore.
So do you also go to other cities, sir?
Yeah. Currently, 3 projects are on. One is in Chennai,
Mm.
another is in Hyderabad,
Mm.
and third one is in Bangalore.
Wow.
We also export.
So you also export?
Yeah. Wherever our South Indian people are there, for them we have exported.
Okay.
All the GCC countries, all
Okay.
7 countries of Gulf,
Mm.
we have then Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, we have supplied our equipments. Now this one, this is the dosa dawa.
Oh, the dosa counter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on the top we place the dosa plate, and the bottom we place the burners. So this is a frame. So we place all the dosa, and there are 3-4 models.
People know it. This is how your dosas come alive.
Yeah.
So this is your primary or your base from where everything starts.
So now the gas problem is there. Now we are doing electrical equipment.
Oh.
This is electrical kadai.
Oh wow.
So
okay.
you can prepare vada, puri.
All oil based.
All oil based.
Okay.
Using the electricity.
Oh.
Due to the now the gas problem is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So because of that, now there is a heavy demand for this electrical.
Very
equipments.
innovative. I think it's the need of the hour right now.
Yeah. So these are all burners for various requirements. This is for bulk, like biryani. This one. This is for bulk cooking. This is this oil kadai for making vada.
Okay.
Bonda,
and, all that.
all those things. So now depending upon the customer's requirements, the size, design, everything. So this many, everything is against orders. Here we don't manufacture anything for stock. This is against orders.
So this is the raw material sheet that you had seen in the very beginning, and now what you're going to see is that this sheet is going to turn, and the color of the sheet that is going to turn. Yeah.
It will be like this. Once it is polished, the material will become this color. Actually, my employees they don't use mirror.
Okay.
They use only polished sheet. So you can see your mirror, your face on it.
It is so clear.
You can. So for my employees, we don't use mirror. They use polished sheet. So
they use their own products as mirrors.
So this is how the polishing is taking place.
And this is how is the quality that is so well maintained. You can see. How long does it take to fabricate each equipment?
It depends, Banshi ji, in the sense, if it is a small hand wash, we can complete in one day.
One day?
One day itself, it is possible. Whereas a vessel like this, minimum 10 to 15 days.
How many labors does it take to complete that in one day, sir? Like the same washing area that you had told that it takes. How many labors does it take?
Actually, it undergo a process. So first, the design team will decide about the size. So a design team to the cutting and sharing, bending. That department, they will hand over to them. So from that it comes to the fabricators. So the fabricators, they weld and remove the welding sheets. Then it comes to the polishing for final leather. So it undergoes 4 stages minimum. Then again cleaning, repolishing, then packing. This is Chinese.
Okay.
Chinese model. So this is for
the
making
wok.
Yeah.
Yes.
For fried rice and all.
I don't cook, but I know.
Yeah. This is your fried rice.
Right.
This is for oil,
Okay.
for oil fry items.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where you get all your fried rice and Chinese
Noodles
items.
and all
Yeah.
that. Yes.
So this is two. Then this is three whole. So depends upon.
Different shapes
So
and
this is
sizes.
finished product
Okay.
for a Chinese equipment.
Restaurant.
We'll go to the boiler section.
Okay.
So these big equipments they require steam. Steam
Yeah.
cooking is happening.
Yeah.
That steam is produced using the boiler.
Okay.
I'll take you to the boiler section.
Yes.
There you can understand. Come.
These are all for your precision, sir. Like this and all.
This is these are all special type machines.
Okay.
This machine is made for our unit.
Okay.
This is for filtering the rice.
Filtering the rice.
Rice. So
Okay.
rice, once cooked, we have to drain the kanji.
Correct.
So we'll have a perforated sheet on the bottom. So for that, so this machine is only for that purpose.
Okay. So, as how you can see, in South India, people make rice which is not in cooker, but it is boiled with water and then they strain out the water. This is an equipment that they manufacture that is kept inside to drain out the water once it is boiled completely. And this, you can see it is very precisely also done. They have all the markings that is done in the steel sheet. I don't know if you're able to see the circles. So they do see the circles, they draw the circles initially and very precisely and very patiently they do each and every hole, right? As you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of holes that goes inside this, and this is just one of the equipments. You already saw that there are multiple equipments that they make, but then they ensure that even if it's the smallest of product or smallest of hole, they very precisely make it.
The other option is available on laser.
Okay.
But laser also will not come to this precise.
Oh.
There we have to do it manually. And this particular machine is dedicated for this. It doesn't. It works for only this purpose. So 2 mm thickness holes. That's all. So 2 mm thickness cannot be done in laser cutting. So it has to be done manually.
I feel it's a factory that works in emotions, that not only do they give out the product that is really, really good and best of its quality, they also work on the people's emotion that they eat good, they feel good, and they eat with the right equipment from where they are making.
Now,
yes, sir.
This is again a boiler.
Okay.
And the gas is the fuel for this. This is a gas based fuel. We manufacture electric, gas and firewood boilers. So this is exclusive gas model. So this one is the round shaped. They are all firewood. The fuel is firewood.
Okay.
So the finished product will be like that. That is a finished product. So these are all various sizes.
Okay.
Smaller one, medium one. So this is this has two compartment. One is outer shell made of stainless steel.
Okay.
The inner shell is made of stainless steel. Basically, steam is produced from the boiler.
Right.
And through pipelines,
it
goes to the vessels, various vessels. So then the cooking is done there only. So there in this process, there is fuel economy. Only one place you are using the fuel, but cooking happens in 3-4 vessels simultaneously. The hoteliers, they give healthy food and they serve at hot, and they are also with less difficult they are doing it.
Right.
With ease they are able to cater to them.
Right.
So this is it.
Does all of these, so now that we've seen the finished goods, sir, after the finished goods is done, you have a quality check, or is there? We saw the quality check that is done in your raw materials, but in between, do you have, or do you have once the equipment is completed?
No, no, no. It has to pass through
Yes.
because there is the for the pressure testing.
Hmm.
There is a agency. So
Okay.
we get it pass through the agency. So we get the certificate from them.
All of
It's a
the equipments
mandatory.
get a
It's
certificate.
mandatory.
Okay.
So
What is
that
the certificate called, sir?
it is a pressure test.
Pressure test
This being a
certificate.
pressure
Okay.
cell, they get the pressure test.
Hmm.
For other equipments,
Hmm.
that we internally will check.
Okay. Thanks. So how many times do they have to, come back to you for a service, or how many times should you go to them for the service?
Actually, these are all service-free equipments only.
Okay.
So our manufacturing process takes care of all minute details, so that because this is involved in food industry,
Yes.
so you cannot stop a single meal or tiffin.
Yes.
So it has to run, come what may. So that is why the quality is the topmost priority for us. So it doesn't require, but any equipment you have, whatever the best quality we manufacture, that has to be maintained. If the maintenance part is not there, then we have to go there, because these are all erected. So it will be commissioned on the ground. So we go there, our technicians will go there and service them. So on a very rare occasion, they have to brought to us for doing. Rare
So if
occasions.
these are kept out, is there formations of rust that happens because it is steel?
No.
Okay.
Actually, what happens, once it is painted, it will
Okay.
be like that only.
Okay.
So
This is painted, sir.
the outer is painted.
Okay.
This is stainless steel. This is polished.
Okay.
So this is placed on a
Shed.
shed only.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get rusted.
Okay. No, generally I'm asking if kept out, like they keep stalls and all outside, right? The water cleaner that we saw, that is also kept outside. Does it rust?
No, 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 no.
No.
It is a food grade stainless steel 304 grade. There is no possibility of any rust formation.
Rusting. Okay.
So what the maximum maintenance is rinse with clean cloth. That's all.
it.
That's all.
How did you start, sir? Like step by step, how did this idea itself, come to you of
My
making?
friends,
Okay.
I was working for in the nationalized bank. Bank.
Okay.
So my friends invited me to be an investor. That is why I came into this field. So I liked it. Then we started. I also enjoyed doing this.
Did you
job.
learn, sir, after that?
Yeah,
Step
yeah,
by
yeah,
step.
yeah.
Okay.
Little interest and little common sense more than enough for doing this business. So and my real strength is my workers. They are all skilled. They are qualified. They are very trained. They are capable of delivering what exactly we want. So that is how I am able to.
So if anybody wants to work here, what kind of skills should they have to come here and work for you?
Actually, anybody who is interested in doing a job, that is what is required.
That's all is required.
That's all it is required.
Yeah.
So it is your inquisitive interest and your passion towards your job. That makes things. So here now people join as a helper.
Okay.
Then they develop. So my employee who are drawing more than 50,000 per month started with a salary of 50 rupees per day.
Oh.
That is how they have grown.
Wow.
So
what is the longest retainership that you've had so far? How many years have any of your employees been here?
I have 2 employees till their last day of their life. They were with me.
What are you saying? Okay.
Till their death,
Ah.
they were here with me only.
Wow.
So that is the bonding between myself and my employees. So I take care of their not only financial, emotional needs as well.
So, some things, I mean, this is one of the lessons, but if somebody wants to do a startup, either in yours, we'll understand that, in your industry, or if generally also to a startup, what would be your key principle that you would want us as youngsters to follow?
First, there should be a passion. It is not just a like or a desire, much beyond. There should be a passion to do the whatever activity. So whether you are convinced, for me, I am the creator. I am. This is. It comes as a sheet. It goes as a product. So I used to tell my employees, you are like a god. You are creating. Yeah, I have given you a sheet and pipe. Now you made a counter.
Mm.
You made a tandoor. So we are equal to any manufacturer is equal to a god.
Yes.
So he should be happy with his product. If myself, if I am not satisfied with my own product, who else will be? So first love your job, love your product, make it the best. Will you accept an inferior goods? Will you buy a damaged cloth? No. We want the best of best.
Yeah.
So also our customer. He should also get the best of best. As a creator, when an opportunity is given to us, give him the best. And never ever worry about your competitor. And never underquote your price. You fix your fair price. And there should be value addition only. If you are charging 10 rupees, the value should be 11 rupees and not 9 rupees. The product should have a value of 11 rupees, not 9 rupees. So if you are fair to yourself, be fair to yourself,
Yeah.
the world will be fair to you.
Wow. I think this is a very big message that your quality of whatever you give to the customer should be of 11 rupees, though you are charging 9 rupees. But this is how you have to give to your customers. I think this is a very, very big entrepreneurial lesson that we all have to learn. So irrespective to who you are, what kind of a thing you are, anything involved with food, right from your fruits, as how you saw the fruit,
Stall.
keeper, or the stalls, or anything that you want, you can contact Coimbatore Kitchen Equipments, John Peterson.